Hey everyone, iPhone 16e marks a significant shift in Apple's product lineup, both in terms of branding and design philosophy. While it carries forward many of the technological advancements seen in Apple's flagship models, it also signals the end of several long-standing features that defined previous generations. With the removal of SE branding and a noticeable increase in size, iPhone 16e represents a departure from the compact and budget-friendly ethos of Apple's special edition devices. In terms of dimensions, iPhone 16e is noticeably larger than iPhone SE 2022. Measuring 146.7 by 71.5 by 7.8 millimeters, it has a more than 20% increase in volume compared to its predecessor. This size increase impacts the overall handling and one-handed usability, making it a more substantial device to hold and operate. The rebranding decision is another noteworthy shift. By removing SE designation, Apple seems to be moving away from its budget-friendly special edition strategy. The meaning behind the E in the iPhone 16e remains speculative, with possibilities ranging from edition to economical or essential. One of the most controversial changes is the complete removal of Touch ID. The iPhone 16e relies solely on Face ID for biometric authentication, marking the end of fingerprint-based security on Apple's lower-cost models. While Face ID is more advanced and offers a seamless unlocking experience, the loss of Touch ID means users who prefer a physical fingerprint sensor will have to adapt. Another major transition comes with the removal of the Lightning port, a change that aligns Apple with industry standards. The iPhone 16e adopts USB-C for charging and data transfer, ensuring compatibility with a broader range of accessories. With the arrival of the iPhone 16e, Apple has also phased out a few older models, including the iPhone SE 2022 and iPhone 14, both of which have been removed from Apple's official website. The 16th effectively replaces what many expected to be the iPhone SE 4, offering a familiar size with updated technology. By positioning itself between affordability and modern performance, the iPhone 16e accelerates the obsolescence of its predecessors. The iPhone 16e features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2,532 by 1,170 pixels and a local peak brightness of 1,200 nits. While screen remains locked at 60 Hz, its ceramic shield protection ensures durability. Under the hood, it is powered by Apple's A18 chip, paired with 8 gigs RAM, delivering smooth performance for everyday tasks and gaming. Charging options include 20-watt wired charging and 7.5-watt wireless charging, though MagSafe support is notably absent. Running on iOS 18, camera capabilities include 48-megapixel rear sensor with 2x lossless zoom and 12-megapixel front camera with Face ID integration. In terms of pricing, the iPhone 16e starts at $599 for the 128-gig model. Overall, the iPhone 16e represents a turning point in Apple's approach to its entry-level models. While it brings necessary upgrades in terms of processing power and display technology, it also marks the end of several beloved features, including Touch ID and the Lightning port. Whether users embrace these changes or long for the days of smaller, budget-friendly iPhones remains to be seen. But one thing is clear, Apple's design philosophy is evolving, and the iPhone 16e is a testament to that shift. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.